Every single day, over 2 billion servings of Coca-Cola are enjoyed around the world.
See, a story of science, precision, and one of the most carefully guarded secrets in human history. Tonight, we go inside the factory. It begins not with flavor, not with fizz, but with something far more fundamental: water. Before a single drop of Coca-Cola ever enters a bottle, the water that carries it must be nothing short of perfect, filtered through multiple stages, purified by reverse osmosis, sterilized under ultraviolet light. The result is water so clean, so pure, it exceeds the standards of most bottled drinking water on the market today, because at Coca-Cola, good enough is never good enough. And now we arrive at the heart of it all, the secret. Since the year 1886, a formula known only to a handful of people on this entire Earth has remained locked away, protected, guarded, unchanged. They call it Merchandise 7X, a precise blend of natural flavors, caramel color, phosphoric acid, and something more. Something no laboratory has ever fully reverse-engineered. Inside massive stainless steel tanks, this concentrate meets sugar, meets water, and something extraordinary begins to happen. The world's most famous taste is born. But a Coca-Cola without its fizz is not a Coca-Cola at all. This is where the magic becomes science. Water, chilled to near freezing, is forced into contact with carbon dioxide gas at pressures 3 to 4 times greater than the air around you. The cold forces the CO2 to dissolve, to become one with the liquid, and when that pressurized carbonated water meets the syrup, thousands of microscopic bubbles erupt into existence. Each one a tiny capsule of energy, each one part of what makes that first sip so unforgettable. Now the drink is ready, and the machines do not wait. Empty bottles arrive in their thousands, washed, sterilized, inspected, every single one. Then the filling begins. Precision robotic nozzles descend with mechanical perfection into row after row of waiting bottles. Dark liquid rushes in, carbonation holds, bubbles climb the glass walls, and in the time it takes you to draw a single breath, over 30 bottles have been filled, sealed, and are already moving towards you. 2,000 bottles every single minute. A great product deserves a great identity, and few identities in history are as instantly recognized as this one. That curve, that red, that script. Robotic arms move with speed no human hand could match, placing each label with millimeter precision onto every bottle, not approximately, not nearly, perfectly. Caps are crimped and sealed, locking in every last molecule of carbonation. And then, the eyes of the machine take over. Computer vision systems scan 100% of every bottle produced. Nothing leaves this factory that is not perfect. Perfection, however, must be protected. Bottles are grouped, wrapped, secured, loaded into cases built to survive the journey ahead. X-ray machines peer through every package, searching for anything that should not be there. Weight sensors measure every single case to the gram. Pressure tests confirm every cap holds firm. Only when every check passes, every sensor confirms, every system approves, do the great robotic arms lift each pallet into its place. Row after row, case after case. Ready. The world is waiting. Green approval light. Triumphant orchestral swell begins. And then, they move. From loading docks still dark with early morning, the fleet rolls out. Red trucks carrying red cases onto highways that stretch to every horizon, to cities of 10 million people, to towns with a single store, to airports, to stadiums, to the corner shop at the end of your street. Over 200 countries, 30 million retail locations, 2 billion servings, every single day. Not by accident, not by luck, but by one of the most sophisticated, precise, and relentless supply chains ever built by human hands. So the next time you reach for that familiar red can, hear the hiss of the seal breaking, feel the cold condensation against your palm, watch the bubbles rise, know that what you hold in your hand is not simply a drink. It is the result of purified water, a century-old secret, the physics of carbonation, robotic precision, and a global network that never, ever stops moving. From a single drop of water to the most recognized taste on Earth, this is how Coca-Cola is made. Open happiness.